Hey guys, welcome back to Eptex Coatings. Today we have a small video on a sandblasting cabinet for you guys. Enrique, go ahead and tell us a little bit more about it.
Well, it's a standard sandblasting cabinet to do small parts. It's got inside dimensions of 33 by 20 inches. And then it's got the slanted viewing window when you're putting your hands in the gloves and blasting the part with the gun. The bottom dimension is 15 inches, and the top of the viewing window goes up to 18, so it'll fit a variety of parts, and it's real handy to have for any kind of coating thing you're doing to prep it.
And you can use any type of sand or glass, right?
Variety, glass bead, blasting soda, so it's up to the user.
Oh, well, that's really cool. Well, guys, if you're interested, go ahead and give us a call.